Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the startup settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Apps button at the left side of the screen to show the app settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Startup button to the right to show the startup settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To choose which app should start when you log into Windows 11, click the desired app's toggle switch to set it to either the on or off position as desired. Apps toggled on will automatically start at login, and apps toggled off will not. The impact that each app has on the login and startup time appears by each app's toggle switch. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.